I have paper here in 7 different colors: pink, purple, red, orange, yellow, green and blue. And I have many pieces of white paper. First what we'll do, we'll take one piece of the white paper. We will fold it in half like this. We'll draw a design of a drop. And we will draw half side of it. And we will cut this out. We will use this as a stencil on all these colored papers and make one piece of each color. We'll draw over it and we'll cut them out. After cutting the large papers, we'll take the white color paper, we'll follow the shape and we'll make the drop 2 till 3 centimeters shorter. So we'll leave a space of 2 or 3 centimeters on the edge and we'll follow the same shape and cut the paper and make it smaller. We will use this as a stencil on all these white paper. We'll draw over it and we'll cut them out. And we'll be making many white pieces like that. Next I have here red, orange and yellow color paper. And with these papers we are going to make flames. So first I'll take the red color paper and we'll cut the shape of a flame. We'll put this on the orange color and we will make the orange color flame 2 centimeters larger than this. We'll start here. Like this we'll make it for above at least 2 centimeters larger and we'll follow the same shape. And we will put this on the yellow color paper and we'll follow the same shape but make the yellow color paper more bigger. We will put glue here on the back side of the red one and paste it on the orange. Put the glue on the orange and paste it on the yellow. Next we'll take crepe paper in different colors. I have in blue, pink, yellow, orange, red, green and purple. We'll mark it on 5 centimeters and we'll cut it out. The width of each piece will be 5 centimeters and the length will be more than a meter depending on the space that you want to decorate. I've made strips the same way of each color. We'll take one color and make cuts of 1 centimeter deep after each half centimeter, and we'll do this on both sides. And like this we'll make cuts in all the other pieces as well. After making the cuts, we will open up our crepe paper streamers and we will use this later for our decoration. After doing that, we'll take a piece of white paper and a circular object, and with the help of the circular object we are going to make many white circles and cut these out. We will put double-sided tape on the back side of every piece, and now it's time to decorate. comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do check all the other decorations on my channel. I have many other decorations I did which you can find nowhere else, so do have a look at them, and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. And if you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button so you don't lose my channel and stay updated on all the latest designs.